How to earn money on Snapchat Spotlight. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can earn money from Snapchat Spotlight. Firstly, go to your App Store or Play Store. After that, search for Snapchat and look for any kind of updates that may be available. If not, then go back to your home page and open Snapchat. In Snapchat, you will land to a recording page like this. You can look through different kind of filters, select the filter that you like and start making a snap. After that, you will land to your editing page like this. At the bottom right corner, tap on Send to. But before that, you can even edit your video if you want. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now select the setting gear icon at the top right corner. In your settings, scroll down. So with Snapchat Spotlight, Snapchat pays creator whose Spotlight snap goes viral. So for this, you need to start creating engaging content. To create engaging content, you need to be original, use trending topics, keep it vertical, and add trending captions and effects. Make sure to always follow the guidelines. Once your content gets a lot of engagement, you will start earning. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.